just how easy or complicated, depending on how you look at it, it is to get this up and running. Downloaded the app on the iPad. Here is the actual camera. So we will push that. You have to start an account. I already did that. Password, email, that kind of stuff. And so we want to add a device. And it turns on and says, complete your setup in the app. So that's what we're doing. I want you to name your device. Okay. That's the name. Continue. All right, now select your Wi-Fi. I'm going to use the hotspot on this phone in front of me. And I do believe it's case sensitive. So if your Wi-Fi name is uppercase, lowercase, lowercase, uppercase, just keep it the same and you should be fine. Personally, I'm going to use numbers.
Welcome. Please complete setup in the Yoga Sleep app.
And then we'll put in the Wi-Fi password, which is not my password that I use. So don't think you can go and break in to whatever with that password, because it's just, I don't use that. All right. And then we'll continue. Gives you a QR code. Here's the tricky part. You just got to hold the camera in front until it scans it.
Welcome. Please complete setup in the Yoga Sleep app. QR code has been scanned successfully. Please wait while I connect to your Wi-Fi network.
All right. Wasn't too bad. So we wait. And it is trying to connect to that.
I am now connected to your Wi-Fi network.
Now connected.
Yoga Sleep mobile app to communicate with you.
Okay, so then we continue with connect device, and here we go. We're getting somewhere. Push the play button. And that should get it on the live screen. Once it gets connected, it's not too bad. It'll give you alerts on motion, sound, temperature, something else, I forget. You do have to push a button to listen. And depending on how fast your internet is, if you're using mobile data, bandwidth, so on and so forth, you'll get some lag sometimes. Nothing's happening. And here's the weird thing. I've got to flip it back upright in order to get to this arrow back button. There we go. Money. So we're connected. Easy peasy. That only took 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Hope you enjoyed it.